Ishara ya President Uhuru bururi-ini wa Mauritius ria kuguna Arimi kuonanire hingurite thoko ya makorobia, karati, miciri hamwe na mboga muthemba wa broccoli.
Given that Kenya is a well-developed agricultural sector, Mauritius looks forward to engage more with the government of Kenya to work out strategies of how to tap the full trade potential that exists have also been obtained for sourcing baby carrots, baby beans and broccoli from Kenya.
Thoko ino ihigukite thutha wa Uhuru na Prime Minister wa bururi ucio gwikiranira kirore ngirimiti ni ya uiguano wa maundu-matandatu maria mabururi maya mekunyitanira.
And I thank you, Prime Minister, for allowing Kenya to be able to export her horticultural produce to Mauritius, and I'm sure many people in Mauritius will begin to appreciate the quality foodstuffs that we have in Kenya.
Prime Minister akionania mito ya bururi ucio kunyotera makorobia ma guku bururi-ini.
We are looking forward to see Kenyan avocados in our stalls. The SPS clearances
hamwe na kwandanduka gwa thoko ya urimi igoti ria gutwara indo bururi-ini ucio ritikuhatika Arimi. Kaunti ya Murang'a ni imwe ya iria arimi mayukitie urimi wa makorobia na njira nene, na kuona Gavana Mwangi wa iria akoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere guthingata urimi wa makorobia ni agathiriirie uiguano ucio wa Kenya na Mauritius.
A double taxation avoidance agreement, an investment promotion and protection agreement, a memorandum of understanding on cooperation for the development of special economic zones.
I look forward to Mauritius participating with Kenya in sharing the dividends that will accrue from the transport infrastructure once it is complete.
Thoko ino ihigukite riri arimi aingi bururi-ini makoretwo magikaya ni kwaga thoko ya kwendia maciaro mao. Hamwe na ngirimiti igicikiranirwo kirore-ini mabururi maya ni kwandandura wonjoria na mieke ya mawira kugerera gicukiro-ini kia meri kia Lamu na Mombasa. President Kenyatta ari icera-ini ria kiwira ria mithenya 3 bururi-ini ucio. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.